Standard 4th, EVS 2, Shivaji's childhood. Birth of Shivaji. Shah Jahan from the north has dispatched a big army to conquer the Deccan. Pune, the principal town of Shahaji's Jagir, was burnt to ground by Adil Shah of Bijapur. Shahaji Raje was in real trouble. Shahaji Raje decided to send Jijabai to Shivandi as it was a very strong fort near Junnar in Pune district. It had steep cliffs on 4 sides, strong fortification and massive doors. Vijay Raj, a relative of the Bhosles, agreed to give protection to Jijabai. On the auspicious day of Phalgun Vaidya Tritiya in the year 1551 of the Shaka era, this is on 19th February 1630, Jijabai gave birth to a son. On the 12th day, with appropriate ceremony, the child was named Shivaji, as the child was born on Fort Shiv Neri. Shivaji passed the first 6 years of his life in highly unsettled condition, but Jijabai did not neglect his education. She would tell him stories of Ram and Krishna, of Bhim and Abhimanyu. On other occasions, she would recite to him the devotional songs of Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar or Sant Eknath. Children from poor families came to play with Shivaji. Sometimes he visited them in their huts and shared their simple meal of onion and bhakri with great relish. The children of the Maulas imitated the sounds of birds, built forts of earth, made earthen animals and played hide and seek or played with a ball or top. Shahaji Raje towards the Mughals. Shahaji Raje returned to Nizam Shahi but did not find any peace as there were conspiracies and rivalries infested the court. Lakhuji Rao Jadhav was brutally murdered. Shahaji Raje was working here as a Sardar at his court, Nizam Shah's court. Fateh Khan killed Nizam Shah, and in return the Mughals rewarded Fateh Khan with the territory under the control of Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje with anger left the Mughals and started using his own power against the Mughals. Founding of a new Nizam Shahi. Shahaji Raje found a child heir from the Nizam Shah's family to be the next Nizam Shah on the fort of Pemgiri near Junnar. Shahaji Raje established an altogether new kingdom which included the territory between the rivers Godavari and Nira. He fought vigorously to protect this new state. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan attacked Shahaji Raje in the south. Shahaji Raje used guerrilla tactics against the Mughals, but could not succeed. Unwillingly, Shahaji Raje surrendered himself to the Mughals in 1636. Jijabai and Shivaji in Karnataka. Jijabai and Shivaji also joined him in Karnataka. Shahaji Raje defeated many kings in Karnataka. Adil Shah awarded him with the Jagir of Bangalore. Shahaji Raje then made the city of Bangalore his headquarters. Thank you.